Alright, so now it says, do you already have OpenIBoot installed? Obviously, if we're installing it, you would say, no, I want to install it. Next. Push yes for backing up the NOR. Alright. Are you sure you want to install on 3G? Make sure that you're using a 3G, not 2G. It'll screw it up. Alright, let me click yes. Put your iPhone scroll mode. You can try this again. Utility open and install. Alright, now I'm going to put down the phone under here. The best part about having a see-through desk is it's see-through and you can see stuff through it. Alright, ready? So you hold down the top and the bottom button, the home and the power button, turns off. Keep holding. Keep holding. Come on. Shouldn't take this long. There we go. See? You hold it down for about 20 seconds. If it doesn't go, keep holding it down and this blue screen will come up and the iPhone will have all this random text. Preparing to install, do not interrupt, 60 seconds. And then it has those blue text and the white text on the screen. See? Wow, it's tiny. That's a good sign. I love those little white text things on the screen. I don't know, it's kind of cool. Oh, look at the text. Whoa, it turned pink. Pink. Wow. It's pretty cool.